Hey everybody, Tim Pritchett here at McKAIG Chevrolet and Gladewater, your dealer for the people. And I wanted to go over a quick feature on this brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado, and it's the electric parking brake. No longer do you have your little foot pedal down here for your brake. It's now just a button. So basically what you want to do is just whenever you get up, you put it in park, and you want to put your emergency brake on. All you have to do is hit that button there. And you can see the parking brake is set, and you can see it right there. So, and then all you want to do is to turn the parking brake off. Just put your foot back on the brake, hit that button again, and then your parking brake is released. Just a little small feature I wanted to go over with you on this awesome 2019 Chevy Silverado. If you guys have any questions, please give me a call here at the dealership. My number is 903-374-0217. Thank you.